make she now African lady they call her now. You feel me? Now I want to answer one or two questions. Yeah. My sister, now video you do with her, I been a call you call her.
I call her. Now she tell me my day online, man when the call. My look how many hours in my boyfriend want to fuck.
Now what she tell you be that Abi? When you they receive a call, waiting be the next way you they do. Okay, now African German they call her now.
Boy online, no, you don't leave the boy. Even when him and the boy they fight, the boy beat up our house. The pikin go hospital, she go hospital for this one they turn. I mean go with the pikin for 3 days. After the boy beat her, he beat her, she faint. She go hospital for 3 days. Now me go with the baby for house. Now me help her own baby for 3 days. He beat Lovett. Lovett faint. Now blast. Now we call blast. Now blast won't carry and go hospital. He don't leave the boy. No. Even the boy. Now so he go dey talk say the boy dey fight. The boy beat am for our house. They shop like dog. The pikin go hospital. He said the boy dey sick and now so he dey sick. Now he dey small like goat 3 days. Ask am. The boy beat am. He beat am. She faint. She faint. No, you know what for 3 days. Mommy, I don't feel like you. See how they tell you now. Not like no bet for me because nothing she she won't fit tell. But if she don't cast, I don't need to hide. If it's no bet because you don't cast already. No bet is there. Now plan. Now we come and follow the. Now plan boy carry and go hospital. He said they lick his toto. Say they lick his toto. Now he make am. He dey follow am. Say because no boy they lick his toto the way they lick.
Hello, my wonderful people. I don't come back again. I don't show. Please, if you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to notify. I beg, if you know say you did new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red thing when they there and turn that bell on. Anytime when I post video, you go be the first person when they go put on for a phone. It go make bang. So today I don't come back again with another topic, and this one are part 2 of our single mother in Germany. This one are the part 2. No say na gelata I come meet una today. No say na gele na outside come. I don't want wear skirt and blouse come. I don't want wear trouser come. At least one I know say na woman na still come today. So my people, my name na Katarina Godin Baby. If you know you are I want to say it again. If you know you are new to my channel, don't fail to hit that button and turn that bell on. Anytime I drop any topic, you will be the first to be notified. So today I want to talk about friends and women. Single mother. You say you won't be single mother, you won't become single mother. Now for you to take off your child, take off that baby. The small thing when they go they give you now for you to take the freshen up, till they take off your baby, till they take off yourself. You understand? Till they take off yourself and that baby. I come across video when be say one boy they interview one girl, say the girl na his sister. My brother, not be your sister, eh? If na your sister, you no go even put phone for a face say you want video round, my dear. If na your sister, you no go even say me you post am for public, eh? What would this is here to ourselves now? Uncle, you know yourself now. When you they answer question, at least if na your sister, eh? Even if you want me the hear her voice, you want really video and make the hear her voice, you go take use the phone, take face. You go use the phone, take face and you understand? Girl, you take put on. They no go even see and they no go see that baby when she carry for back. You understand? They no go see her. After she don't talk all those things finish, then you come begin to preach your own pastor. You come begin to preach your own. Oluwa na this one oh, Oluwa enemy oh, in a journalist oh. If not be journalist, this one do that one do that one. My dear, you will still go video that one. You not still journalist. When you cost the public can, as you video and finish, you go send and go give the person when you want send her for. You tell the person say, I beg, I don't want to make it show, but just listen to the video. Now so they do. Person when you get normal sense, now so you go take one. You tell us say, I don't want to make the video show. I don't want to make social media carry on because social media, if word they social media, if they never iron around, put her for that nylon, give you for anger. That word not the finish for ground. You for just suffer, just post and go give the woman. They say, Mama, look the person, look wetin come out for a mouth. You understand? Or be say you go, they go there on call, you go the video run. They first stay there on call, they go still no say na she they talk. And for my single lady enemy, you want become single mother. You no need to dey do all those kind of things nah. See, you go say, you want talk one word wey call pay me, wey call really attract me, come back to part 2 of this video. You want talk one word, you say, you ready for anything when they want to, if they want deport you, go as you ready, and you get family for us. My sister, good name is better than bad name. That your family when you dey talk. So if it be say for more than 2 years now, you never have send 1 naira go give them. They pray to carry problem go ask. The one way they dey for that side, they tell you say they never tire. Okay, now that girl no girl get family for us. We be say if you go as you go suffer. But we dey sincere to ourselves now. What are we talking about? Maybe we dey sincere to ourselves. Una one born now, yes, say that they pay money, one born. Now that born finish, you know, that man wanna say no good, say no they satisfy, and not fit dey with that man. Now that's the same those the same man I see the nyash they go. What are we talking about here? What are we talking about? More with this is here to ourselves. More with this is here to ourselves. And you will say you be friends, say you be best friend. Nothing will not fit tell you, my sister. Even though say, it don't care how something go shake you rich. Friend and friend, as far as now, it don't be your best friend. Don't be. It gets some kind of word where be say, even though say they push you, it gets some kind of word where you're not supposed to talk. It gets some kind of word. Forget say maybe on a door break apart. But friend are still friend. You know, it gets some kind of word where you for just say, I beg, I don't fit talk all this thing. No, anything with the matter will be make it be more and leave me. I don't want to talk anything. You go you use and rub body. You go you forget the rest. Up the one say, I don't tire. If they want to do this one, if they do this one, I know identity again. As you see and so, he say no, feel it can. He know they lick can. He they lick can. He na make cannot go feel it can. Live on. No other man they lick can. Kevin O come out that day, everybody they holler. Kevin O come out that day, everybody carry and go. Kevin O, he dey lick o, he dey do this one, he dey nyasho, he dey do this one, na roba, na HIV o. Kevin O come out. What are we talking about? I talk this thing for my video when I talk about Kevin Ward. I say many days when be say they will do worse, the one way worse past Kevin O. But because they Kevin O come out now, they carry and go. It never reach 2 weeks. Another Benin person just still for put. It don't they leak. It don't they use this the playhead. It won't clean the playhead very well. What are we talking about? You won't become single mother. You become single mother. I beg. I not fit suffer again. I not fit do this way. I beg. I won't become single mother. Jamie, I come. Now people, mona no verse on a pigeon and what you use finish to do. Jamie, I come. Na say the man wanna born for. Una not fit dey with her. You know they satisfy her. You know they do this one. You know they do that one. You know they play head. You know they do play head. But when I see the nyash those men, they go. If pikin they cry, whether na your uncle they cry, be na you uncle they cry. They not gonna know the one way they cry for his side now. Now I want to talk, he say, who help? You want to talk, he say, his sister borrow her money, his sister, and I tell you, this one do that. If something don't happen, either they hear, they say. If something don't happen, now friend will tell you his secret, you know say yes. Say that friend really love you. It gets some kind of thing will go happen. Why they talk this thing now? Because of that girl. Why it gets some kind of thing will go happen. They go call you, you say, I beg, I not fit talk, I not fit call they talk again. Mona you let them be like that. You understand? Not be say you say I don't tire, I not fit talk, I not fit keep anything again. As this don't your apple everywhere don't cast. May you just finish the word. No, that one not me say you dey right. No, you not dey right, my sister. That boy when call video, you when call tell you say, I don't hear for my sister, my brother. Use your 2 hands, take over your mouth. If na your blood sister, you go show that girl for camera. If na your blood sister, you go show am with the pikin for camera. You say you go na that year for my sister, you carry camera face on. Now everybody know wetin we dey find. So may you know, you don't see use and take get wetin you want to get. Who will not dey pretend say they help people say we dey pretend. Okay, that one na for your own vibe passage. That one na your own. Now I don't just to give you. I don't just still talk and don't say I don't iron and don't say come up for them. If you know what, if you're never ready to settle down, not force yourself say because you hear say this country they give something you won't go shook your head. Sir. You hear say this one they pay you won't go shook your head. Sir. Okay, not do one because I didn't want that you say I be single mother. Una the single father they put for una they say na be single mother. People wey get their husband wey be say they say like either good or bad I go deal with my husband now they carry their whole thing they shook una body. Una leave their husband alone. Okay, una leave their husband alone. If una know say una want deal with them, una go deal with una baby papa. Una deal with them. Una know say yes, una not be single mother again. See the way you take sit down, bad pikin for bad, just they pity that children. People then when they find those children, they never see. People then when be say they find children, they never see. You will God give. When you suppose not be say they not they give on it's one thing that they give on when you go maintain that baby, clean her up. When you go dress, you and your baby go wear to mash. As I tell you this is so. You and your baby go here to mash. When your baby papa go see you, go say, I say this girl go suffer. I say this girl life now say your issue. I don't position now. I don't know say now it won't come. They make me fall in love with them. If now you did right before, or now the man they wrong, or now you did right, or now you did right, the man they wrong. The man go they dread. Man, when you feel open your body for, he give you what you want. You say you not love her. Huh? What are we talking about? Forget say money they finish you. Maybe one day, Jamie feel say we not go pay again. Oh, we not fit again. You understand? But that man when you not there with. Say maybe on a day good say enough you tell you say you no want again no because if pikin don't dey then. All this video when they trend so you know how many years this video go dey your pikin will come grow come it huh? If they say even if you go house you not care you get family for house they know they pray me they carry problem go me family for house. The one where they did the Nigeria country where they did so they never finish their problem. No talk less or say the work or carry your own joiner with picking where you they carry they go. I'll pray for deportation, my sister. Go and settle down. If you don't want to settle down with your baby papa, clean up yourself. Forget you do me, I do one. You play me, I play him. No. All those one not the help. If you want your settle down, say you want marry, you marry. If you they clean up, Nana, they take off your son, they take off yourself. Before you know, you go see better person where you go come say, I like you. You go not say you get picky, you go sit there, you say, not be person call that woman wake every day with woman wake every day with. Opposite the person sit tell and say him be man or see what he be. The man they tell and say he want sin. What are we talking about? Talk less of you maybe young girl. If your age too much, you not pass 24, 25. You never reach 24. If your age too much, you should be my age mate. No come they say you won't force yourself because say you won't become I won't do this one, I won't do that one. My dear, people will never made the mistake, Mona not make come. If you're never ready to settle down, no enter house, not go say you won't because you go mother. Okay? So my message to you now be that one. And for that one wey come video you, oga no be so that they do something. If you want really help person, say you want video and say na your sister, you no go show your face. And you no go even want make the video come out for social media dey trend again. Because you just still use am take get your own side. You know where they talk they go. Now all of us dey. So now so e reach. So I beg my women, my fellow women, I beg, may we change our character. May we let go of all those things. This year 2020, I talk at this year 2020. Since when Kevin take carry all those nyama come different things. Now Kevin first start to different things I could they happen. Kevin can't carry and go back. Since when Kevin take carry that one enter 2020, different things I they happen. Kevin can't carry that problem, carry the problem go back. Now you start on. So now so I reach, I beg. Hide that baby, hide down, because time go come now, small time now, we be there, you don't reach 18 years now. All those people wanna see they call, mama na so you do this one, mama na so you talk, na so you do this one. Say the man not get the sume, he dey do nose, he dey pin nose, he dey, you know, say the pin nose before he carry he body give and make it enter. Now you want tell and say, you know, me not the pin nose again. Because we say another man no fit go dey play there because he dey sume. He dey sume. Na me cannot secretly leave the man because another man no go there. He dey sume. Give her codeine, give her this one. I beg, more we respect ourselves. If you see when we care about you, care about that person. Forget money when Jamie they give una. Dey with your man. I beg. All those my friend, and they do destroy. The one we not get go want me you come out. The one we get, we go like to stay with the man because say you not did there. You and only me want they collect my picking money, they collect my own. You go want me still come out. You go say after if I come out now carry my picking, they'll they pay me my picking, they'll they pay me my own. Forget say that money go finish one day. Person will be say that they would they pay. See they find 5 € when want to buy Pampers. For another man when not get picking, God to say go give you. A wife knew they disturb you, leave your husband, You not see disgrace. I will say maybe you leave that man and you go see this disgrace. I know so not the shame. Not the shame. So now my message be that one. I don't want make my video too long. So my people, I go drop the video for the last part. When I know after they do my own, I go drop the video for the last part. If you want me, you watch and still watch and okay. Don't forget to give me my thumbs up. My name remain Katarina Golden Baby. Very soon I go add TV journal. No worry. Now Katarina Golden Baby channel. Later I go add TV journal. So remain blessed till I come your way again. And before I come out, if you know say you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification there. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to be notified. And if you know you dey new to my channel, don't forget to touch that bell. Don't forget to touch that red thing. Anytime when I post video, they go put on for your chat. They go put on for your phone. Say Banka Katarina Dusty Post. That is my name. So see you guys till I come your way again. Bye bye.
Let me